What's up everyone, Justin Hoback here with Extreme Coatings. Today we wanted to take a minute to show you why we think that our Extreme Coating is a better coating for the off-roader than powder coat. We got some damage here on the side of this buggy from trees and rocks that's unavoidable, and we're about to show you how we can touch this up and make it look like it never happened again. So now we're just about to sand up this damage here and get it blended out and get it prepared to spray some new coating on there. All right, so any of our bare metal parts that we have after we sanded it, we're gonna hit it with some acetate primer before we recoat. Now that we got everything sanded and primed, we got our new Extreme Coating mixed up. If you buy this product from us, we can give you some more touch-up in a smaller quantity at any time. So we'll get it touched up. That's all there is to it. Also, for smaller areas, if you don't want to get a gun and an air hose out, you can touch up. In order to keep the same texture, we're using a piece of Scotch-Brite here, and we're just going to dab it in and dab it on the small area, and it maintains the same texture, and it's very easy. As you can see with the textured surface that this product has, you can touch up an area without being able to tell the difference between what's been touched up and what has not. It all blends in really nicely, so it doesn't look like you've been doing a bunch of repairs on your buggy. So if you get damage from rocks or rollovers, or you just need to weld something new on your buggy, you can do it with this product and make it like it never happened. Get with us at Extreme Coatings and we can help you get this product on your ride today.